Are you tired of guessing how to get a specific page URL on your hosting or website? Stop digging. Discover the exact hassle-free way to grab any page link instantly. We'll quickly walk through the Hostinger Builder, showing you the exact clicks. You'll learn to find and copy your page's full URL in just moments. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is get into your website's control panel. You'll want to log into your Hostinger account, find the website you're working on, and then click the Edit Website button to open up the Hostinger Website Builder. This is where all the magic happens for your site's structure and content. Just give it a moment to load up your full site preview and builder interface. Once you're inside the builder, you'll see a bunch of options on the left-hand side. To find our pages, we're going to look for the Pages menu. It usually looks like a little icon of stacked papers or a document. This is your central hub for every page on your website, whether it's your home page, an about page, or a special landing page. Go ahead and give that Pages option a click. Now, you'll see a list of all the pages on your site. We need to find the specific page you want the URL for. Once you spot it, hover your mouse over that page's name. You'll notice a small More Options icon appear, which looks like 3 tiny vertical dots, sometimes called more_horas. This button is your gateway to that specific page's individual settings. Click on those 3 dots. After you click those dots, a small pop-up menu will appear with several options for that page. Look closely within this new menu. You'll actually see another set of those 3 vertical dots, or more_horas vididiosinat wide, usually right next to the page's name at the top of that small settings box. This is where we go a step deeper into the page's particular configurations. Go ahead and click that second more_horas icon. Now we're getting somewhere. In the expanded menu that just appeared, you'll see a clear option labeled Page URL. This is exactly what we're looking for because it's the section dedicated to showing you the unique web address for this specific page. This is a super helpful feature built right into the Hostinger Website Builder, and knowing exactly where to find it makes managing your site so much smoother and ensures you're always linking correctly. Give Page URL a click. You'll now see the URL details for your page. Hostinger often shows a shorter relative URL by default, but for sharing your page with others or linking to it from outside your site, you really need the full web address, complete with your domain name. So look for the option that clearly says Full URL. It should be easy to spot, probably highlighted or in its own designated area. Click on Full URL to reveal that complete link, and here's the final super easy step. Right next to that full URL you just revealed, there's a convenient little button labeled Copy Full URL. Just one quick click on that, and boom! The entire correct web address for your page is instantly copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it anywhere you like, into an email, a social media post, or even a different part of your website. It's ready to go. And just like that, you've gone from fumbling around to confidently grabbing the exact live URL for any page on your Hostinger website. Super easy, right? No more confusion. Go ahead and try it on your own Hostinger site and share your pages with confidence.